see on the pendant, I have already created my program, and I want the robot to stop in between weld 1 and 2. So I am going to go on the left side menu under Basic, and I'm going to add a weight. We can see that a yellow weight node has appeared. On the right side, I am going to select Weight for Digital Input, and I am going to scroll down to the Start button and then change Low to High. And I have now inserted a operator weight. I can now play the program. The robot will now pause in between weld 1 and weld 2 until I hit the green Start button. So we will start the program. And as we can see, the robot has stopped and is waiting for me to hit the green button on the operator box. And it is now going into weld 2. And that is how you add a wait for operator on your BotX XSR.